Hi mga loves! Welcome back to my channel. This is Bubuchang once again mga loves, and today we are going to talk about how to apply for NBI clearance. This is actually most requested right after my how to apply for a passport. So this is the complete guide and the updated version of the application mga loves. So stay tuned. Okay, so simulan na natin. Naalala nyo dati, ang old application ng NBI clearance is actually napakahaba ng proseso. Nagsisimula tayo sa labas ng office nila, ang daming linya, iba't ibang personalidad, iba't ibang tao, ang iba galing pa sa probinsya, and super duper napakainit talaga ng panahon. Grabe, nakaka-bad trip. At ang taas-taas talaga ng temperatura sa pag-aantay sa labas. However, kailangan natin gawin ito dahil need natin ito, ang clearance, para sa trabaho. 'Di ba? Kaya ang daming taong nagagalit, ang daming taong nababagot, at mostly gumagamit ng fixer para lang mag-under the table. Hindi yun maganda. Kaya ang government ay nakaisip ng isang bright idea, na gawa na lang ng isang systematic online process ang pagkuha ng NBI clearance. Kaya, gumawa sila ng online program na mag-apply ka na lang at mag-sign up para makakuha ng NBI clearance online. Note mga loves, effective this year 2017 onward, NBI clearance processing will strictly implement the no appointment, no entry policy for NBI clearance applicants. So meaning to say mga loves, kailangan mo na talaga magkaroon ng appointment online before ka magkaroon ng NBI clearance. So, di ba? This is all over the Philippines ha, hindi ito pa-importante person. So, lahat talaga ng Pilipino. Okay? So, why do you need an NBI clearance? Actually, ang NBI clearance is a legal certification siya mga loves na nagpapatunay na hindi ka kriminal or wala kang criminal offense or association sa mga ganyan, or just a legal identification sa iyo na ikaw talaga si Juan de la Cruz na sinasabi mo. Okay? And ang validity ng NBI clearance sa pagkakuha mo ay 1 year. Okay? Okay, so dati natin mga loves, may specific purpose ang NBI clearance. Kunwari, for abroad or for local or employment. Hindi na yan ngayon. Dahil ngayon, general purpose na ang NBI clearance. Which is actually very good kasi isang clearance na lang ang kukunin mo at hindi ka na magbabayad ng marami pang clearance. Ito, ipapakita yan. Ayan. Okay. So, ito yung mandate ng government. It was Feb 15, 2017 na nag-i-issue na tayo ng multi-purpose NBI clearance. Alright. But before you can apply for your NBI clearance, mga loves, you need to register online ng account sa website. Okay? Take note ha, this process is not yet the actual application of your clearance. Alright? It is registration lamang ito mga loves ng account nyo. Parang Facebook na nagre-register lang kayo ng account bago nyo magamit ang service. Okay? So you need to sign up para ma-register. Alright, so wag kayong malungkot mga loves, okay? Wag kayong mabagot, hindi naman ito mahirap. So don't you worry, it is super easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so simulan na natin na. Let's get started. Okay, so number 1, you need to go to https://www.nbi-clearance.com/ and pangalawa, if it is your first time applying for NBI clearance, you need to check the no checkbox as shown below. So, eto yun. Nakikita kasi dyan, may question sa taas. Do you have an old NBI clearance? So, if first time mo, you need to check the checkbox na no. Yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayun. O, diba? And all you need to do is to fill out all of the fields sa application form, mga loves. Importante yan, yung name mo, lahat-lahat, username and password. And after that, i-check mo yung I accept terms of service and click the sign up button. Okay? Mga loves, always remember the username and password. Lalong-lalo na yung password na sinulat mo dun sa application form. Dahil importante yan. You need to memorize it. Okay? And ang next page after nyo sa application form is pwede ka nang mag-sign in. Okay? So, once you sign into your account, you will see it. Ayan, login, username, password. So, maipapakita ko sa inyo itong picture kung saan yung sa sign in. Sa upper right-hand side, makikita natin ang email and password field kung saan pwede nyong ilagay ang inyong sign in. Okay? So, fill out the NBI clearance online application form kasi papakita sa inyo yan after sa sign in. And it's up to you if you will leave the optional fields empty. Pwede nyong sulatan, pwede namang hindi. But anyway, optional lang naman, so there's no need. But you need to make sure to fill out the form has mga information na kayo lang yung nakakaalam. And after you fill out the form, double check everything, then click Save Information. Okay, ito yung Save Information. Okay, so after, sa next page, after filling out all the information needed, you will be redirected to a summary page. Similar on this image. Okay, so this is the summary page. If you find that there's something wrong with the information you entered, don't you worry. You can simply hit the edit information right there to modify things. Or you can just click apply if okay na lahat. And once if you already hit the apply button, you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN, mga loves, okay? So you need to do it. And please don't forget the PIN na inano mo. I-save mo kagad sa cellphone mo, sa email mo, or sa notebook. Kung meron kang notebook. So, wag mo kalimutan yung PIN, okay? Dahil importante yon sa mga next process is gusto mo mag-renew, gusto mong i-check yung iyong online, ganon. Okay? So, this next page is the confirmation page. Ilalagay mo dyan kung anong ID ang ipapresent mo pag punta mo sa NBI. SSS ba? Postal ba? So, make sure to put it there. Then, after that, a message like this will prompt. So, your registration code or reference number will be provided after you select your payment, blah, blah, blah. So, all you need to do, mga loves, is you can just simply close it, close the message, and proceed to the next page. Okay, for our next page, mga loves, this is the appointment schedule and payment. Yes, so online na din ito lahat. Okay? So, you will be prompted to schedule your appointment. So, ito yung screenshot. First, you will need to select the nearest NBI branch where you will be getting your NBI clearance, mga loves. You can either type or scroll until you see the NBI branch you're looking for. Ayan. And then, you just need to click on the date that has an available slot. When you click on the date of your choice, it will be added to the right side of the panel. Ito yun. And then, makikita mo dyan yung mga information na naselect mo na. And also the expiration date, makikita din dyan. Okay. And then, sa taas naman, makikita natin, you will need to click the purpose of your application. You will see how much you need to pay for your application, and there is an additional 25 pesos for using the e-payment system. Okay? And there are several payment options, mga loves, that you can choose. Use whatever you're comfortable with. Alright? May bank over the counter, may mobile payment, may multi-pay, online bank, or bayad center. Usually, mga Pinoy, they use bayad center. But ako, I prefer online bank kasi mas madali siya. Okay. So, once you've chosen, mga loves, a payment option, you will be guided on how to do the actual payment. Okay? So, ito yung transactions menu. So, you will see there, ito na yun, makikita nyo dyan na pending pa. When your payment is verified, ito yung payment instruction, by the way, so pwede nyo siyang i-click. But, pag after na na-verified ang payment, yung pending, magiging paid siya. Okay? And then, the payment instruction will be gone and a details button will appear on the right side. So click on that button and print your application form because you need to bring it with you on your day of the appointment. Okay? So next is the processing your NBI clearance on the appointment day. So ito na yung day. Alright. So on your date of appointment, you need to personally go to the NBI office you entered in your application. So ito na yung office. Make sure to bring the ID you mentioned in your application, mga loves. Okay? And then wear the proper dress and make sure to look neat. And don't bring any items that will not let you pass or give you trouble. Okay? And don't forget to bring your printed NBI clearance application. So, when you get to the NBI office, don't waste time. Kung may mga tanong ka, ask the guards. Si security man ng guard, i-ask mo siya kung hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. I-ask mo yung mga staff doon. Yung guard number 1. Yung mga people para mag-guide ka kung saan ba pupunta dahil meron ka ng printed NBI clearance. Ask them that you applied. Okay? And then, once you find the window for the right person, you will be giving or biometrics ka na yan, mga loves. You will be asked to do the biometrics para sa process na ito. And of course, you will be asked to take a picture. And yeah, yun na nga, biometrics ka, at saka yan, si photographer, ang galing-galing. And then next, you will have your magwe-wait ka na lang dyan, okay? Dahil, kasama ng mga ibang tao dyan sa NBI clearance, you will have your NBI clearance encoded pa ng officer and printed. You just need to wait a little bit to finally get your NBI clearance. So, tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock sa office. And after that, oh my gosh! It is a hooray! Yay to you! Dahil meron ka ng NBI clearance, so pwede ka na mag-celebrate, gumawa ka na ng mga balloons dyan. Or pwede mo nang sabihan yung mga kaibigan mo, mga girl-alush, natapos ka na sa NBI clearance dahil na-process na, nakuha mo na. Parang pwede ka na rin magpa-party dyan, mag-confetti ka na dyan, mga loves, dahil yun na nga, tapos ka na. Okay, that's it. And I hope, guys, mga loves, I was able to help you out with this process. So, sana na-enlighten ko kayo. If you have any questions, you can definitely go to the NBI website. May mga frequently asked questions department doon. Or you can also ask me questions here. If alam ko yung answer, definitely I will reply to your comments. Just comment below and give me a big like if you like this video, Pilipinas. Okay? And of course, mga loves, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bubuchang's World. Ayun. Bubuchang's World. Yan ang aking YouTube channel, obviously. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para ma-notify kayo ng aking mga next videos moving forward. And if you would like to have this kind of how-to, small government, how to apply for a government, something like this, subscribe and let's flamingo, mga love. Ching-ding-ding. Okay, follow me on my social media accounts. Of course, we have Facebook. May Facebook page po ako. Just type in Bubuchang's World. And of course, I also have Twitter. Please follow me at Bubu_Chang. And I also have an Instagram account, mga loves. Just follow me at Lana. There you go. And of course, meron din akong Snapchat. You can add me. Wala pa po akong friends. So just type at Bubuchang08. Alright. Thank you so much, mga loves, for this opportunity. And thanks for watching. Okay. Oh, so cutie. This is love. Always and forever. Blessed talaga ang life ni Buchi. Thank you! Bye-bye!